and this is the spacious living area. So this is your super big kitchen which you can custom luxurious master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Jayashree. Today we are at Nico 61 which is located at Kogilu main road of Bellary Road for a sample flat tour. Well, we will get to know a lot about the project in detail, but before that let's understand what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the builders, thereby giving you a bottom rate price the best rate possible. Unlike the other current listing platform where you do an inquiry, your number shared with different brokers and you end up with a lot of unwanted calls. Housey is one such platform where the listing is done directly by the builders. So hurry up, go book your dream home directly with the builders through Housey. So let's talk about the project overview. The entire project is built on a land parcel of 8 acres, and as you can see there are 5 towers and the available stories are 2 basement plus ground plus 17 floors, and the available units are 632 units are available. And now let's talk about the variants. The available variants are 2, 2.5, 3 and 3.5 BHK. And now let's talk about the connectivity. This project is just 2 minutes away from the international airport, and it is just 6 kilometers from the Bharatiya Mall of Bengaluru. And from this project, the upcoming metro station is just 8 minutes away, and also the Phoenix Mall of Asia is just few minutes away from this project. And now let's talk about the amenities. This project has all the modern amenities such as clubhouse, gymnasium, swimming pool, multi-purpose game court, yoga lawn, walking track and many more. Yes, right now we are in front of 2 BHK plus terrace sample flat called Nico Homes by the builder Bharatiya Urban, which is located at Kogilu main road of Bellary Road. So let's get inside. So as you walk inside, you can see this foil space, and on the left we have the shoe rack where you can store your shoes and slippers. So yes, you can put your shoe rack over there. So that is the space. And this is the spacious living area. So as you can see, it's super big. So you can decide where you want to put your sofa and your television unit, and you can customize it the way you want. And near the living area, you can find your balcony, which is provided with French sliding doors. So this is your super big balcony where you can spend your leisure time. So you can customize it the way you want. You can have a small plantation and you can have a sitting area. So yes, it's the best spot for your leisure time. And this is your balcony near the living area. And now it's time to check the dining area. So this is your dining area where you can put your dining table and chairs, and you can decorate it the way you want. And this way to your kitchen. So this is your super big kitchen, which you can customize it with a modular kitchen, and you can have a lot of storage units just like this. And near the kitchen we have your utility area. So this is your utility area where you can put your washing machine or other stuffs, whichever you want to put in your utility area. So this is your kitchen with utility area. And now it's time to check the common bathroom in this 2.5 BHK. So this way, so this is your common bathroom, which is super big with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipments. There's a big window for ventilation, and we have wash basin, and below wash basin you will have a space which you can use it as a storage unit. And now it's time to check the study room. So this is your study room. So you can also customize it like this. You can have a single bed and you can have a table for a study area. And this study room comes with a big window and a sitting area. Again, you can customize it the way you want, where you can sit and relax and enjoy your free time. So this is your study room, which is again big. And now it's time to check the first bedroom in this 2 BHK plus study flat. So this is your spacious first bedroom with ample amount of space for your bed and for your wardrobe. And there's a big window for ventilation and for natural sunlight. And this is your sitting area, which you can customize it and you can spend your time watching the serene green view. And now it's time to check the second bedroom, the master bedroom of this flat. But before that, let's understand what Housey does for us. At Housey, we provide actual sample flat tour, the location tours, and we give you the pros and cons why you should invest in this project, and pricing details such as EMI and down payment, and most importantly 360-degree virtual project tour. And now let's get inside. So this is your super big luxurious master bedroom. There's ample amount of space, a lot of space for your bed and for your bed wardrobe. and you can customize it the way you want. You can put your dressing area as well as your study area wherever you want, because there's ample amount of space. And this is your window, and this is sitting area where you can sit and enjoy your free time watching the serene green view. So yes friends, this was all about this 2 BHK plus study sample flat called Nico Homes. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about this project, mention in the comment section below. And if you have any feedback, yes, we welcome all kind of constructive feedbacks. Before you go, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Housey to know about such fantastic videos. See you in the next video. Bye. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK plus study sample flat tour of the residential project Nico Homes, which is located at Kogilu Main Road off Bellary Road by the builder Bharti Urban.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.